All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Didn't think I would make a video like this about my pixels, but in fact, I am making it. I tried to wait it out and use the phones a little bit more, but here's what I did. Now, I upgraded some of my pixels to Android 15, and my brand new Pixel 9 Pro XL is on Android 15, and then the Pixel 9 Pro, I left it off of 15 because I was doing battery tests back and forth, and I can report, yes, the battery life is definitely way more, it's insane on the Pixel 9 Pro XL now. I've had Android 15 since it came out, whatever, the other day. It's been at least 24, going on 48 hours, I guess. But the reality is the phone is running good. Now, on my 9 Pro, I did not put Android 15 because, again, I was wondering if it was going to work right. And to my surprise, it doesn't work right. So my Wallpaper app, if I long press and go to the Wallpaper app, it works, right? When I try to do the Wallpaper app on my 9 Pro XL, it crashes out every time. It does not work. I get an error message saying, hey, wait or close app. So I'm probably going to have to do a factory reset. I haven't found any other errors. Thank goodness. I've found that it has way better battery, but I haven't found any other errors, and I'm probably gonna have to do a factory reset. So I put Android 15 on my 8A, right? So I use the Wallpaper app on here, and it works. Wallpaper app works, no problem whatsoever. I also put it on my 8 Pro. This is my 8 Pro, and the Wallpaper app works, as you can see. When I load it up on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, it's a white screen there. It just turns white. So let me see if I can do this real time for you so you can see. It's just, the wallpapers kind of just go away. See how it comes up? It's very strange. It doesn't do anything. It's a quick hint of, you know, hey, this is your wallpaper screen. Now let me see if widgets work. So widgets pop up, widgets work, and you've got the wallpaper settings, or the home screen settings. Home screen settings work, but you know, I'd hate to reset my phone just because of this issue. So I'm trying to wait it out to see if it's actually resolved. But yeah, Google, I'm gonna need you to fix this. I haven't looked on. Okay, so if you start getting in the comments telling me, oh, Jay, that happened to me on the first day, you late, it's already a fix coming. I haven't heard anything because I'm not scouring the internet every few minutes looking to see when something is wrong. But I did promise you that if something goes wrong with the phone, I will report it to you. And this is the first time that I've had something like this happen when updating a Pixel. I've never seen it brick something. You see that? There we go. I've never seen October 5th security patch, Android 15. I've never seen it brick something like this on such a new phone. So it's a little depressing. I could just leave it with this wallpaper and not change the wallpaper at all. But I do want to be able to change my wallpaper because I'm going to be bringing you a review on panels. So I'm going to go ahead and I signed in, and, you know, panels, shout out to Marquez, man, because he took a lot of heat, unnecessary heat, I might add. I think it was pretty petty of everybody to attack this young guy online like this. But hey, you got your own opinion about things. I think it was petty to try to come at him like that. But I installed panels on some other phones, and I was planning on putting it on this phone after I got Android 15 on here. So I'm curious to see, you know, what this entails, what panels I like. I've been using some of his wallpapers. As a matter of fact, I've been using a lot of the panels wallpapers here. That's a panels wallpaper, but I was planning on doing it on this phone, and I was like, what the heck? Why isn't panels working? And this is why. So it's surprising to note that, hey, my wallpaper application, and if I go into settings here, here's panels. I'm gonna put a wallpaper on one of my favorites. I'm gonna put it on here. And I'm gonna put it on this phone. It's that one that I'm using on the other phone, the iPhone there. And I'm gonna see if I can find it in here and put it on this phone. It's one of the free wallpapers where you can just watch an ad and it will give you the HD version. I don't see the big deal about panels. I think it's a good idea. He even lowered the price now. It's ridiculously low. I'll just put any wallpaper on here, I guess. So I'm gonna do this here. And there's just a small ad that you watch in order to get the HD version. It's like anything else. There's so many apps in the App Store that require you to have ads. I'm just surprised that his app got so much heat. And when you're in this type of business, you got to be able to have thick skin. And while I'm not at MKBHD's level of fans or followers, I understand exactly what he's going through, because even at my level of being on YouTube, I get a lot of shade, lots of shade, and it's just ridiculous. So I downloaded the app, I downloaded the wallpaper, and I really want to keep my current wallpaper on here until I can figure this out. But if I go into wallpapers and styles, it just doesn't work. And the only way I can access wallpapers is to put my own on there. So I'm kind of surprised that this good thing I got a nice wallpaper on there that I made from Google's AI or whatever, but kind of surprised that I'm having this particular issue. Not a major issue, but it's an issue. It's stopping me. I was getting ready to do something. I didn't want to use my iPhone for panels, and obviously I have the other Android phones that I can use. I can use it on my 15. I can use it on my 9 Pro as well, but I want to use it. I wanted to use it on this phone because a lot of people love the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I actually like it too. And I'm happy to report, yeah, like I said before, the battery is phenomenal. The battery instantly got a bump in performance. I don't follow the numbers too much on like what it says about what's left, but look at this right here. Almost 3 days left, and I think that's impressive. And it hasn't moved much at all, and I've been using it, and it's strange that I can't really find. Well, I can't. I guess it's not strange. I guess it's not strange. I won't beat this horse up. I'll just say this: I'm gonna end up doing a factory reset if this doesn't fix itself in the next 3 days. If I don't see anything from Google online or something like that, I don't see any kind of updates or anything like that, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and reset the phone, and that should fix it. And I will follow up with you guys. But the question is, who else is having this problem? Anybody else? Wallpaper app doesn't work. If this isn't an issue for you, what do you have an issue with? Like, what's happening with your phone that's broken that wasn't broken before? It's got to be something, or it's got to be nothing. So I could be a one-off or whatever, but I'm not making this video to trash anybody or say this is a horrible company. No. This is just an update for you because Android 15 is running smooth. There's a lot of, I was already using Gemini, so there was a lot of things in here that are just kind of improved. They're a little bit better. So I'm impressed with Android 15 as far as how fluid it is, how smooth it is, and everything under the sun. But yeah, I can't change wallpapers. Something as simple as that. I don't know. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's a good thing that I have other Pixels that I can rely on. I'll probably just switch over and do my panels review, because I've been using panels for a little bit now, and I wanted to show you some of the wallpapers and show you about the app and everything, because a lot of people that won't even download it, they won't even give it a chance. But I actually like panels, and I think it's pretty cool, and I'm pretty excited to be able to give you an actual review on it. No, he's not paying me anything, and I'm using the free version where I watch an ad for every wallpaper that's available that's free. You'll know the ones that you can buy or that you have to buy, and you'll see the ones that are free. It's pretty simple. But maybe I'll continue on with the 8 Pro, because the 8 Pro is actually running very smooth, and battery life on here. And obviously I don't have a SIM card in all these phones, but I'm just trying to use them kind of in the same way at about the same time and kind of do the same things. But I'm really excited to report that it's for sure an upgrade. You should be getting a big boost in your battery on your Pixels. Now, I updated my Pixel Fold, my OG Fold. I was not gonna do it, but I did it, and I was like, I'm just go ahead and do it. I was hesitant, but I did it because my OG Fold, really planned on hanging on to that one. And then I did, sorry about that. Then I did the 8A. because why not? I wanted to see a phone that supposedly wasn't as powerful and all these different things. And a lot of people are going to have the 8A. And so this is the time to own a Pixel. Regardless of this little small issue that I'm having, this is the time to own a Pixel, because these phones like the 8A and 8 Pro and the 8, all these phones are getting Android 15. So if you don't have Android 15 yet, put your phone in airplane mode, turn on Wi-Fi, reboot it, search for the update, and you should be good to go. If that doesn't work, might be your carrier blocking it or whatever network you're on. I don't know. But it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully this is resolved with my Pixel 9 Pro XL with the factory reset. I don't want to do that again, but if I have to, I will. It's your man Jay. Take care.